In the tranquil corners of a cherished library, a revolutionary device has been introduced to protect the precious collections and enhance the comfort of readers, the LibraryAir Indoor CO2 Monitor. This innovative monitor has become an essential guardian, ensuring the air quality within the library's walls is perfectly suited for both the preservation of books and the well-being of visitors. LibraryAir, a leader with over 10 years of experience in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments, stands behind the LibraryAir monitor. Their dedication to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is clear, with the added flexibility of OEM customization to meet each client's specific needs. The LibraryAir Indoor CO2 Monitor plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal air quality. By dynamically adjusting ventilation, it creates an environment that is ideal for the preservation of delicate pages and bindings, while also ensuring that readers can enjoy their books in comfort and tranquility. This thoughtful balance contributes to a space where knowledge is not only preserved, but also shared in the most welcoming way. For librarians and library patrons, the LibraryAir Indoor CO2 Monitor by LibraryAir represents more than just a tool. It's an investment in the preservation of knowledge and the comfort of those who seek it. Ready to create an environment that respects the past while embracing the future of reading. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product. To discover our special promotion, elevate your library's standards today and provide your readers with the serene atmosphere they deserve. Choose LibraryAir's LibraryAir Indoor CO2 Monitor and breathe easier, knowing you've made the right choice for your library's health and success.